Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum and hi. Welcome you to my YouTube channel, English with Tanveer Ahmed. This is Tanveer Ahmed. Dear viewers, first of all, I would like to thank for your worthy comments and views. Thank you very much. Today's video is about the importance of English language. Dear viewers, as we are connected to each other, this is because of social media, and English is the most important tool to communicate on social media. I am not undermining the importance of other languages, but anyhow, the exposure provided by English language is greater as compared to other languages. English is the language of mobiles, technology, computer. Inbuilt language is English, mostly English. So this is how English is the language of IT and social media, and really, as it is said, this age is the age of globalization. So English provides greater opportunity to ease the things to become this world a global world. Another reason is that English is the language of science. All the developments in science are presented to us through the medium of English language. In many laboratories around the world, many scientists, they do their joint efforts, and around the world, in the famous labs, there are numerous scientists who belong to different areas of the world, and they speak different languages, but their common language of communication is English, because English is understood everywhere. So English is definitely the language of science. The inventions, the discoveries made by scientists are shared with the public through the medium of English language mostly. Another reason is that English is the language of research. Hundreds of thousands of research publications are daily published on various journals throughout the world, and the language of journals and publications is English. Even English is necessary to write thesis of research of MPhil and PhD. If you are having good exposure of English language on CV and you are good at communication skills, it will definitely benefit you to get some job. And during job, if someone is good at English, he is having good communication skills verbally, orally, and he is good at paper writing, he is definitely preferred over so many employees. But when they work for some international organizations, English is the medium to communicate with. Another reason is that English is the language of print and electronic media. Though everywhere local newspapers are published, there are local languages used on media as well, but mostly the world's famous news agencies present their material in English language. Dear viewers, there could be another reason to learn English, that this is one of the official languages of UNO, and this is also the official language of many countries. Around 101 countries, English is taught there, English is used there. Sometimes their first languages, in many countries their second languages. At least in numerous countries, English is taught as the second language. Dear viewers, for students as well, English provides greater opportunities to get admission to the various famous universities around the world, both in admission test and later on with the better communication among students and their teachers and their management, English comes for their rescue. Dear viewers, English is also the language of entertainment. There are drama industries and film industries. They carry out their work in English. Dear viewers, owing to many reasons, English has become the language of fun itself. Through English, people come across to know the cultures of various countries. They come close. English is a better resource to bring people to people contact. People and societies come closer by the use of English language. Dear viewers, English has become lingua franca. It means this language is spoken and understood almost around the world. Everywhere there is no language, at least English is understood and one can communicate in English. And there could be some other reasons as well, as English has simple alphabets. Though English has many accents, but a foreigner speaker, a non-native speaker can learn one accent, that is of BBC, and he can communicate with whole of the English speaking community. So these are a few reasons why English to be learned, and of course there are so many other reasons which I couldn't discuss here. So dear viewers, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel and share and like my videos. Inshallah, in coming days I would have more videos. As I promised in my introductory video, I will inshallah initiate series based on pronunciation, spoken language, intermediate English, and GATE subject and GATE general, inshallah. Hoping for the best. It's Allah Hafiz and bye bye.